palm rest cover replacement and battery replacement on Dell Inspiron 3481 laptop. Thank you, Sir RJ, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop from home rest cover replacement is a smart choice. Professionals have the tools and experience needed to safely disassemble the laptop, remove the old cover, and install the new one without causing damage to other components. This process can be tricky, especially on laptops with integrated W373. Removing the palm rest requires handling delicate cables and connectors. A professional will ensure that the replacement is done cleanly and securely, restoring comfort and appearance without risking damage to the laptop. This way, your laptop gets a refreshed look and feel, enhancing both comfort and durability. Replacing the battery on a laptop is also a good move, especially if the current battery isn't holding a charge well or drains quickly. A fresh battery can restore your laptops, allowing you to use it without being constantly plugged in. Over time, batteries naturally lose capacity, and an old battery can cause sudden shutdowns, reduce performance, or even potential overheating. By bringing your laptop to a professional shop for battery replacement, you ensure the correct battery type is installed safely without risking damage to internal components. A new battery extends the lifespan of your device and significantly improves its reliability and usability. Choosing to replace both the palm rest cover and the battery on your laptop is a smart decision, especially if these parts are worn or no longer functioning well. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians has advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Replacing palm rest cover and battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your palm rest cover replacement and battery replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.